an IDE similar to Cursor and VS Code, uh, Windsurf, and this is introduced by Google. And this pricing, first I will discuss the pricing. It is for now it is free, and it is public review preview model. We don't know when this is upgraded to plans, and the product use cases are the main agenda of this project is professional and front end full stack developers. Is it is this product is helpful for these type of users, and it has some blogs and etc. This is the main complete blog and overview of the anti-gravity, and we can download here. So if we need any information, we can go walk through the documentation, change log, and support anything. And this is the download option. So I already installed. So these are the terms you need to accept. Next, anti-gravity. Install. Mm. The main use cases of this uh, important features are it has a browser agent and also agent manager. So agent manager means we can work multiple workspaces at a time. So but cursor we don't have we have only one agent to perform one project. But in anti-gravity we can implement different projects at a time and with a different type of agents. I will show in the demo. And browser agent means in cursor we need to run manually. So it is the terminal like mm, similarly cursor and VS Code. It is origin from the VS Code. And I logged out, and again I will set up the details. So we need to verify our personal Gmail accounts. And here is similar to cursor only. And here we can see the open agent manager. And this is like cursor. We can import our existing folders, what we do in the agent, what we do in the cursor like that. And in anti-gravity, we have two modes. One is planning and next one is fast. Planning is used to implement the a project from scratch. It has the capable of before implementing any plan, it will categorize into some steps and deep some deep search, and then only it can implement. And it can be lengthy process. And the fast is used for quick tasks, like if we have any existing project, we need to change any variable names and we need to create some function and method in particular place. So then we can go to fast, then we can use the fast mode. And we have any other models, Gemini 3, Claude, and GPT, open source models. And in this include the in behind the uh, Google Antigravity, we have the Nano Banana Pro version and some GPT Flash, etc. models also. Those models are used to browse the agents. To implement the browser agents, it will helpful to actuate the um, actuate the plan and execution and walk through the full implementation. I'll give you a plan. This is uh open folder. We can choose any other. We can choose existing folder and do start our work. I'm not explaining this one, but I'm just showing this. So we can do like similar. We can do similar like cursor here. I just change the variable names of sample. I putting as a customer. Change the database variable name as DB. Just I'm giving a simple example. So we can use this a uh, fast simple tasks, and planning mode is used for multiple tasks. And meanwhile, I will explain the Open Agent Manager. So here, Open Agent Manager, we have. So this. Okay. So here we have inbox, workspaces, playground. So we can create add multiple. Initially, I added the MCP demo. So in the workspaces, we can see the MCP demo. Here the work is running here. We can see here and accept it. And next one is I can add any other workspace. Open new workspace. CP. So Antigravity demo. So I can add this and I give you a prompt here in anti-gravity. I can create a one simple application, create a simple uh, food order website. Just I'm giving simple example. So I will change my mode. Create a simple food order website. I will change to planning mode. So here we can see there are multiple projects, but we can do parallel work. And also here in inbox, we can see what are the pending items we can see in the inbox panel. And next, playground is separate thing. So playground is not related to, it is individual from the workspaces. After just I'm giving the example of uh, create an architecture diagram for simple Amazon e-commerce website. Here I am giving three different types of modes and we can work parallelly. So this is called agent manager. and we can get the notifications also. So we can walk through this expanding and proceed. While implementation the plan, we can review it, request the review. There are three types of modes. We can always proceed means agent never ask for the user reviews, and agent decide means agent will decide to ask you for review of the user. Request review means agent always ask for the review, so we can change the modes appropriately. And this is the one feature. And this following is here we can see the list of following what the agent is do. This is task. The agent will create the task like that, and in between we can if we need any changes in the task, like I will tell you. So I can open the view. I can edit the task also here, leave a comment, create implementation plan. I can create and analyze the implementation plan. I can add the comments also here in between. So this is the one of the feature. While implemented, we can review it. And next one is, so this is the browser agent. The agent will automatically do the browser agent. It opens the browser agent defaultly. So it is the browser agent. Uh, Behind the scene, after running these files, the browser agent is itself run this code, and agent will be walked through the from starting page to ending page and confirm the verification. We can The agent will give a preview like that automatically. We no need to manual checking in the front end and back end. It is one of the main feature. So I'm not doing here. It is completely getting clicking, and it is completely done by the browser sub agent. What is the code done? It will based on the code, it will render the uh, application overview. So here you can see the browser agent also. So this is the complete overview. And here we can see the after this. After complete verifying the website, after the playback, we can see the playback, rendering playback video also. After complete this. This is food agent creating, and also I'm giving the first one thing. It is accepting command. So this also running, and this also running. So I implemented three projects at a time. So it is done. So the architecture diagram is done. I can see the architecture diagram. It will give the complete mermaid diagram only, but I will give render the architecture diagram in browser. So I'm giving this one. So there is a one major feature is we can work simultaneously different projects, and this playground is not related to any. It is separate from the workspace projects, and I will explain the here we can't able to see the editor code. Here we can open the editor. What are the changes done? And we can see the again we can go to the create food order and see the code what is it is created and do. Here we can see the walkthrough plan. it is completely verify the review and verification flow also. It is called browser agent. So the e-commerce architecture is got some syntax errors. I'm not sure. And it is one implementation is done. And next one is refactor database. We do complete analysis, and these are the main features. And we can open the settings. We can change our review policies and agent file access, etc., and browser related settings we can do. And some editor settings, some notifications, tab, account. Some these are the some agent related settings. And next one is here. mm, so these are the setting we can see. I and we can change the request review as mentioned here. Always proceed. All agent decides request review. If we need any changes related the review policy, we can change here. And terminal, we can uh, use terminal or auto command execution policy. Off means never execute the terminal commands by the agent. Auto means agent decides to auto execute. Turbo means always auto execute. It is not asking any accept commands from the user. And allow list the terminal commands. We can here we can set the some settings accordingly our use case. And next one we can integrate the some Superbase related DB related stuff because if we need any modifications, need any queries like that, every time we no need to back to Superbase DP and take screenshots, put it in the cursor. We don't need it. Instead of we can connect with through MCP. I will explain. So I think here we can add different types of MCPs. Here we can check. I'm not connected, but we can. These are the DBs. These are the MCP servers supported by the Google Antigravity and some uh, other features also. Customizations also. We can add our rules as global and as per workspace also. And some we can implement some workflows based on the global. Global means it will applicable will all the workspaces. Workspaces means it will applicable specific workspaces only. And the next one is export. We can export the this entire chart into one text, one markdown file. We can save it late. Our review purpose, we don't lose any conversation history. So this feature also available. And next one is, so these are the main features. So let's see. So I just give the database as a DB. We can it change the database as a DB. And it is small change, and it the food order website also done. We can see the walkthrough document. It will give the complete working flow. And we are also see this in our cart, some home menu cart we can see here. And next one is here I created the website. And here we can see the complete flow. And here one icon is it. If we enable this, it will, while editing the agent, it will show the what agent do the in the right side panel. We can review it. And the playground is whatever we did here. We can move to our required workspaces. So choose one folder. We can move to, I selected anti-gravity demo. So it will go to creating architecture diagram, anti-gravity. So playground is irrespective for the workspaces. We can do any other related stuff and we can add our required workspaces. So these are the main features in the anti-gravity. So this is the complete overview of the anti-gravity. So if you have any queries, let me know.